We are going to discuss second type of numerical from engineering chemistry, unit number 1, water technology. And in this numerical, we are going to find types and amount of alkalinities. For finding types and amount of alkalinities, we need to know the values of P and M. P phenolphthalein and M methyl orange. If you see these two formulae, you will find only one difference. In phenolphthalein, V1 is there, and in methyl orange, V2 is there. V1 and V2 are the burette readings. V1 is the burette reading that we get at a phenolphthalein endpoint, and V2 is the burette reading that we get at methyl orange endpoint. Z is the normality of acid, 50 is the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, and 1000, that is what we consider 1 liter. Along with these two formulae, we need to know this table, because this table will give you the idea about the types and amount of alkalinities. So for finding types and amount of alkalinities, first we have to find value of P and M, and P and M value we will get from the formulas that we have seen just now. So once we get value of P and M, we can find the relationship between P and M, and from that relationship we can identify the types, and from the types we able to find amount. So let us proceed toward one example. So example in front of you, 50 ml alkaline water sample. So first given water sample, how much? 50 ml, that is what phi. Okay, then it required 2.7 ml HCl up to phenolphthalein endpoint. Means 2.7 is the value of phi1, that is what phi1 burette reading. Normality is given here in numerical 0.02, and for methyl orange endpoint, how much ml of acid is required? 9.4. So V2 is equal to 9.4. So this is what the given that you need to write in your answer sheet. No need to write question. And once you write the given, you have to proceed toward the solution. As I told already that we require two formulae. First one is P phenolphthalein, and for phenolphthalein we required V1, and V1 is 2.7. Z is given 0.02. Okay, so if you do this calculation by using calculator, you will get value of P 54 ppm. Once you get P, you have to proceed toward the finding of M value, that is what methyl orange, and for methyl orange we required value of Phi2, and as per given value of Phi2 is 9.4. So put the value of Phi2 9.4. Rest values are same like phenolphthalein endpoint. All values are same, only difference is there in V1 and V2. So if you do the calculation by using calculator, you will get value of methyl orange, and that value is 188 ppm. Now we have both the values ppm. In ppm we know the value of P and we know the value of M. Now our task is to find relationship. You just see the values. If we take half of M, then it coming 94, and you see the value of P 54. Then 54 is less, 94 is more. Means you can say 1/2 M is greater than P, or you can say P is less than 1/2 M. So here, once you get relationship, you have to see the table, and if you see this table, you can see last row, that is what our relationship, P less than 1/2 M. And in front of that, you can see the types of alkalinities. OH minus dash means absent. 2P, it means carbonate present. And M minus 2P means some formula is there. It means bicarbonate is present. So we came to know about the types. So first type is carbonate and second type is bicarbonate. So once we know the types, we can find the amount. And for amount, we have formula. For carbonate, 2P, and for bicarbonate, M minus 2P. So let us see the calculation part as far as amount is concerned. So amount of alkalinities, CO3 2 minus, which is equal to 2P. So value of P is 54. So 2 into 54 is equal to 108 ppm. And for bicarbonate, M minus 2P, value of M is 188 and 2P is 108. So bicarbonate amount is 80 ppm. So this is the amount of alkalinities. Carbonate and bicarbonate are the types, and 108 is the amount of carbonate, and 80 ppm is the amount of bicarbonate. So in this way we can find types and amount of alkalinities. Thank you.